What is lip reduction surgery and how is it done? Hi, I'm Dr. Shreya Krishna, your trusted oral and maxillofacial surgeon from New Delhi. आज मैं आपको बहुत सिंपल वे में बताऊंगी कि लिप रिडक्शन सर्जरी किसको नीडेड होती है एंड हम एज डॉक्टर्स इसको कैसे करते हैं. सो लिप रिडक्शन सर्जरी उन इंडिविजुअल्स को नीडेड है जिनको अपने लिप्स बहुत ज़्यादा थिक लगते हैं या बहुत ज़्यादा हैंगिंग लगते हैं और इन मेडिकल टर्म्स इवर्टेड लगते हैं. ये बहुत रीज़न से हो सकता है किसी के लिप्स इस तरीके के. It is a racial feature. That means some races are more prone to having thicker lips. For example, African Asians have a higher tendency to have thicker lips, whereas Southeast Asians have a tendency to have thinner lips. A lot of Indian population also has thick lips. Second, certain dentofacial anomalies also makes you more prone to having thicker lips. For example, अगर आपका लोअर जॉ बहुत पीछे है, अपर वाला जॉ थोड़ा आगे है, आपकी टेंडेंसी होगी फॉर योर लोअर लिप टू बी इवर्टेड एंड थिकर. Conversely, if you have bimaxillary protrusion, that means both the jaws are too much projected, then also there will be a tendency for your lips to be thicker. So, if you're somebody who's not looking for very in-depth correction of your dentofacial deformities, or if you belong to any of the races where thicker lips are there, then how can we correct it? लिप रिडक्शन सर्जरी एक आउट पेशेंट सर्जरी होती है, which means you don't need any hospital admission for the surgery. Even though it is not outpatient, you still need to undergo some basic blood tests so that we know whether your coagulation is on time, whether you're anemic or not, and whether you're having any infection underlying or not. If your blood tests are fine, then the surgery can be done. The surgery is an outpatient surgery, like I said. It is done under local anesthesia. It takes typically about half an hour for us to execute it, and you can leave immediately after the surgery. Now, how is this surgery done? The surgery involves marking of the lips with our surgical pen markers. इस सर्जरी में हम क्या करते हैं, जो आपका लिप का जो वर्मिलियन बॉर्डर होता है, म्यूकोजल बॉर्डर होता है, उसको हम मार्क आउट करते हैं. जितना रिडक्शन वी आर लुकिंग फॉर, वी मार्क दैट डिस्टेंस ऑन द इनर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द लिप. The entire strip is then removed with a certain thickness of 2 to 3 millimeter of the inner lip tissues. Typically ये हम surgery normal हमारे blade से भी कर सकते हैं, which is a conventional type. Electrocautery, which is the most popular way of doing lip reduction surgery. And lastly, laser method से भी हम ये चीज़ कर सकते हैं. Once this is done, we close the wound and the lip with very very fine sutures, 50 or 60 monocryl sutures, and then you can go home with an ice pack. We see you in a week. We might remove the stitches, otherwise mostly these stitches are dissolvable, which need no removal, and you will be able to enjoy the results after 2 weeks, which is when the swelling completely settles down. If you have more queries or if you're looking to get a lip reduction surgery done, please drop in a message.